Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some of the stocks on the move today. I'm Paul Sweeney with Alexis Christoforous, and we're joined by Bloomberg's Carmen Reinecke. Carmen, what are you looking at?
Yeah, so I'm looking at a few retailer names this morning. First is Lazy Boy, ticker LZB, the recliner retailer. So shares are down 14% right now. This is the worst intraday drop since February 2022. The retailer reported weaker than expected results, including same-store sales that declined during the quarter, which they said reflected an increasingly challenged consumer. Part of that, weak economy we've been hearing so much about.
Do they make a Lazy Boy with like a little fridge for your beers underneath, so you never have to get up?
That's a great question. I don't know. I don't have.
Would you look into that for me?
Yes, I will get right back to you. Definitely a cup holder in it for sure. Higher expenses also weighed on earnings per share in the quarter for Lazy Boy.
Target.
Yep, Target, ticker TGT. So shares are down. They reported earnings, which included reaffirming their sales outlook for the full year, which, everybody really has been looking for the beat and raise this quarter. So that is probably weighing on shares a little bit. But the bigger weight here is that the retailer also named a new CEO, current COO, Michael Fiddelke. At least that's how I'm going to say it. I don't know if that's correct.
I'll go with it. All
right. I do the KE at the end.
Yes.
So, all right, we're going with that.
Yep.
Is going to succeed current CEO Brian Cornell, and basically this is just being seen as too much of an insider. Like there won't be enough change to sort of drive a turnaround at Target. Michael Baker of D.A. Davidson said there was some hope that an external CEO would be a catalyst for more significant change. And Bloomberg Intelligence's Jennifer Bartashis said he's unlikely to change Target's playbook. And so this is really overshadowing sort of any positives that they saw in the quarter.
And then bucking the trend, TJX, parent company of TJ Maxx, Marshalls, up 4%. Pretty good earnings.
They are on track to close at a record high today, highest since at least 1980. Is that what we have here on the terminal? They raised their full year earnings per share outlook. They had better than expected results, citing that shoppers are turning to discounters due to economic uncertainty.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.